The migration and the onboarding is probably the most important part of the success. And we spend a lot of time on the migration, but it was really important for several reasons. The first one is you clean your past data, because the fact that when you have past data, it's like an old mess you have to clean up and to put in the good spreadsheet and the way you want to keep it. And the last point is the fact that when you stop and when you have decided to switch, it gives you the opportunity to think of how you make your business, what is your current process, which is good in your process, which is not good in your process, or you can improve it. Because when you're in a day-to-day operation, you're just running and you're on your bicycle and you don't have the time, the important time to think about the process and what you do well and what you don't do well. So it's probably the most important time you can spend for your business, for your client, for your company. It's very important, and it give you probably the good plan for the next 10 years of your business. And also all this migration period give you the opportunity to train in the new system in order to be fully ready when you push the button to start in the first day.